Hello, my name is Kevin. Today I'll show you this drawing of layout annotation. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so roughly this is how is this house look like. Okay, in 2D it looks something like this. Okay, so let's press this button. Okay, once complete, you can see all the drawing, the floor plan, the doors, windows, the lighting, the elevation. Okay, you can see all the calculations here. Okay, so to export, just press export. Okay, you can select everything if you need. Okay, model space is one, layout spacing. So if in case you AutoCAD, okay, you can choose a model space. You can choose the layout space as okay. Okay, you can select which one you want. Okay, got single layout only or multiple layout. Okay, as you confirm, you press this one, you can just press export. So merge the group together or not merge group together. Okay, then it will look something like this. So got layout or no layout, alright, depends on your preference. So below here we got a model, you got a layout drawing. Okay. Okay, then you also can export as images, or let's say the living room. Okay, export by group. Okay, can be PDF. Okay, can be multiple layout. Okay, or images. So depending on which one you want to export, then just select. Okay, once complete ready, you click in, double click. Okay, as you can see, it's everything merged together or single. See, depends on your own preference. Okay, so you can try single layout, multiple layout, or merge or group lah. Alright, so hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.